Welcome to our Post Ideas feature tutorial in Kontentino. Let's make sure you never lose a great content idea. Post ideas are dateless posts you can save within Kontentino. Now, we're going to create one together. Start by creating a new post as you normally would. To transform it into a post idea, simply remove the date or leave the date field blank. Click Save. Your post is now saved as a post idea. You still have the option to collaborate on a post idea or send it for approval. To access your post ideas, open the sidebar in the calendar and click Post Ideas. Here, you also have the option to create new ideas directly. Use the search function within the sidebar to find post ideas based on their text. The transformation of a post idea to a standard post is very simple. Drag and drop the idea from the sidebar to a desired date in your calendar. For recurring posts or in case you want to use an idea as a template, hold the Option key on Mac or the Alt key on Windows when dragging the post to the calendar. This action creates a copy, leaving the original post idea untouched in your repository for the future. And that's it! If you have any additional questions, make sure to contact our customer support team. We're here for you anytime. Thank you for watching and enjoy the content creation.